ato gamay. Asa man?
10 o'clock at night. She can't sleep. Not under here. Wah, good man. Oh, pero nilaka mo siya, nigawas mo to siya. Alright, guys. 2 days after. 2 days? Just today. I think we found it the following morning. I think we found it the following morning. But I needed to update you on what happened when Gab chewed on and lost the makeup. This is what I'm talking about. Right? Lucas Papa's ointment. I'm not sure what this is for. It's a topical application for birds. So, for some reason, I thought this was makeup. My wife told me this was makeup. But anyway, so we finally